Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch back to personal Instagram account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right, and then you need to click on settings. Once you are on that page, you simply need to click on account. Here you need to scroll down and then you need to click on switch account type. Click on that, and here you can two options: switch to business account, switch to personal account. Click on personal account, and here you can see that when you switch back to personal account, in-app insight will be turned off and insights from all your content including your ads will be permanently removed. So if you want to do that, you simply need to click on that switch to personal account. So this is the process by which you can switch to personal account on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.